Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am showing a new variety of Semiya Payasam, that is caramel Semiya Payasam. Let's try a new variety and have a look into ingredients. In a hot vessel, add 1 spoon of ghee, handful of cashew nuts and fry it until nice golden in color. Once it is done, transfer to a bowl and also add handful of raisins and fry it until nice golden in color. Once it is done, transfer to a bowl. Now in the same pan add 4 spoons of sugar. Now keep the flame low and stir it until sugar melts. Once the sugar melts into golden and yellow color, then our caramel is ready. Don't overcook it, it may get burnt smell. Now add 2 glasses of full fat milk or regular milk. Into our caramel syrup. And also add a glass of water. And give a quick stir. Now add 1 glass of Semiya and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Once it is ready, add 4 more spoons of sugar and stir it. Now add roasted nuts, quarter spoon of Elachi powder and mix it well. That's it, our simple caramel Semiya Payasam is ready. Thanks for watching and also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.